Every day, Arjun carried a weight no one could see, his own thoughts. He was a young boy from a village, but his mind was always far away. Arjun was about 16 years old, thin, with tired eyes and a mind that never rested. Every day, while other boys played or helped their families happily, Arjun did his work half-heartedly. His body was in the fields or by the cattle, but his mind was somewhere else, lost in worries about his past mistakes and fears about his future. He often thought, why did I not study properly last year? What if I fail again? What if I can never do anything good in my life? No matter what he did, his mind was full of useless thoughts. He could not focus on his work, nor enjoy the present moment. One evening, he heard two old men talking about Dada Ramdas, an old wise man who lived far away, across the forest. They said Dada Ramdas had helped many people empty their minds of unwanted thoughts. Arjun decided to go. Early next morning, he walked alone through dusty paths and green fields until he reached a small hut under a big banyan tree. There, sitting on a wooden cot, was Dada Ramdas, an old man with white hair, a simple goatee, and eyes that looked calm like a silent river. Gathering courage, Arjun bent down and touched his feet. Dada, my mind is full of worries. I always think about my past and fear my future. I cannot do any work properly. Please tell me what to do. Dada Ramdas listened quietly. Then he went inside and brought out an old brass glass full of clear water. He handed it to Arjun and said, "Walk to the end of this village and come back. But remember, not a single drop of water should spill." Arjun looked at the glass, confused. "Dada, how will this help me?" Dada Ramdas only smiled. "Go, and you will know." Holding the glass tightly, Arjun walked slowly on the narrow path. He kept his eyes fixed on the water. Children ran around him, dogs barked, and the rough path tried to trip him, but he did not look anywhere else. Step by step, carefully, he reached the far end of the village and turned back. When he returned, he placed the glass before Dada Ramdas. "Dada, I did not spill even a single drop." Dada Ramdas asked, "And tell me, Arjun, while you were walking, did you think about your past or future?" Arjun thought for a moment and realized, not once. Dada Ramdas smiled and put a hand on his shoulder. "This is the secret. When your mind stays fully in the present, there is no place for useless thoughts. Life is like this glass. Hold it carefully in the present moment, and nothing will spill. Empty your mind of yesterday and tomorrow. Fill it only with today." For the first time, Arjun's mind felt light and free. He bowed to Dada Ramdas, ready to live his life, one step at a time, with an empty mind and a steady heart. Moral of the story: empty your mind means stop thinking about the past and future. Focus only on the present moment. When you control your thoughts, your mind becomes peaceful and your life becomes better. Let's learn from the story. 1. Gathering courage. Meaning, collecting enough bravery to do something difficult. Example, gathering courage. He spoke to his teacher about his problem. 2. Spill. Meaning, to accidentally let liquid flow out of its container. Example, be careful not to spill the juice on your shirt. 3. Secret. Meaning, a hidden truth or method known only to some people. Example, the secret to good health is a peaceful mind. 4. Steady. Meaning, firm, balanced, and not easily shaken. Example, keep your hand steady while you write. 5. Anchor, figurative. Meaning, something that keeps you stable or focused. Example, his family was his anchor during difficult times.